Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss some numericals on lens formula and mirror formula. So let us start. An object is 24 cm away from a concave mirror. मीन्स हमें क्या गिवन है, एक ऑब्जेक्ट है जो 24 सेंटीमीटर दूर रखा हुआ है कॉनकेव मिरर से. तो इसका मतलब हमें ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस गिवन है एंड ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस इज ऑलवेज टेकन एज नेगेटिव. Then and its real image is 16 सेंटीमीटर फ्रॉम द मिरर. मीन्स जो इमेज डिस्टेंस आप लोगों को गिवन है वो 16 सेंटीमीटर है एंड इफ इमेज इज रियल then it will be formed on the left side of the mirror, so it will be also be taken as negative. Find the focal length and radius of curvature of the mirror. मीन्स हमें क्या निकालना है, फोकल लेंथ एंड रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर एंड मैग्निफिकेशन भी फाइंड आउट करनी है. सो अब हम ये कैलकुलेट करने के लिए वी नो दैट मिरर फॉर्मूला इज 1/v माइनस 1/+1/u इज इक्वल टू 1/f. पुट द वैल्यूज एंड द वैल्यूज आर 1/-16 प्लस 1/-24 इज इक्वल टू 1/f. So 1/f will be equal to 48 is the LCM, -3 -2 is equal to -5/48. So f will be equal to -48/5. It will be 9.6 centimeter. This is the focal length. Now you can calculate the radius of curvature. We know the formula. The radius of curvature is equal to twice of f. So 2 into minus 9.6 means it will be 19.2 centimeter. Also you have to calculate the magnification, and magnification of mirror is -v/u. Take care of this minus. This minus is in the formula. So what we can put the values, v is given to you -16 and u is also given to you -24. You will calculate, then you will get 2/3 means 0.67. This is the magnification. Now let us start the second question, and the second question is, an object is 1 centimeter tall is placed 30 centimeter in front of convex mirror. मीन्स हमें क्या गिवन है, एन ऑब्जेक्ट 1 सेंटीमीटर टॉल मीन्स हमें ऑब्जेक्ट हाइट गिवन है एंड ऑब्जेक्ट हाइट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय h1. इट इज़ 1 सेंटीमीटर. इज प्लेस्ड 30 सेंटीमीटर इन फ्रंट ऑफ कॉन्वेक्स मिरर. मीन्स हमें ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस गिवन है एंड इट इज़ ऑलवेज टेकन एज नेगेटिव. of focal length 20 centimeter. The focal length of convex mirror is given to you, and if it is a convex mirror then the focal length is taken as positive. You can think over this by just drawing the shape of convex mirror. So its radius of curvature will be on this side, center of curvature, and focal length is also on this side. So if it is right side of the pole then it will be positive. So focal length is with positive sign. Find the size, position of the image formed by the convex mirror. Also draw the ray diagram. So हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, v फाइंड आउट करना है और साइज के लिए h2 फाइंड आउट करना है. So again we know that the mirror formula is 1/v plus 1/u is equal to 1/f. Then 1/v you have to calculate, plus -30 and f is 20. So 1/v will be equal to 1/20 plus 1/30. 60 is the LCM. 3 plus 2 means 5/60. So v will be equal to 60/5, 12 centimeter. This is your v, and since it is on the right side because it is positive, so it will be a virtual and erect image. So from here we can say that it is virtual and erect image is formed. another one h2 you have to calculate. Then for that we know that magnification is equal to minus v upon u is equal to h2 upon h1. So with this formula we will put the values, and it is minus v you have to calculate just now 12, and u is given to you minus 30 is equal to h2 you have to calculate, and h1 is 1. So after cross multiplying, minus minus become plus, 12 upon 30, 2 upon 5 means h2 will be equal to 0.4 centimeter. This is the height of the image. Now we have to draw the ray diagram also. So for that we have considered a convex mirror like this. In this case your object is placed at a distance of 30 centimeters. So let me say this is the distance 30 centimeter. Now we will apply the rules, and the rules are: if any ray comes parallel to the principal axis, then it will appear to pass through focus, means it will go in this direction, but it will appear to pass through focus. And the second is, if any ray appear to pass through center of curvature, then it will retrace its path. This is our center of curvature. So here is the image formed. Now you can mark also the focal length is 20 centimeter. So this distance is 20 centimeter, and this distance, image distance, we have calculated just now 12 centimeter. So this is the image formed, or this is the ray diagram for this question. Now let us do the next question, and the next question is a diverging mirror of radius of curvature 40 centimeter. सबसे पहले तो ये पता करेंगे कि ये डाइवर्जिंग मिरर कौन सा होता है, और उसका हमें रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर गिवन है 40 सेंटीमीटर. तो डाइवर्जिंग मीन्स जो पैरेलल रेज को बिखेर दे, फैला दे. तो इस वाले केस में जब हम देखते हैं, आप लोग कॉन्वेक्स मिरर के केस में ड्रॉ करके देखोगे पैरेलल रेज. सो दीज पैरेलल रेज विल गो लाइक दिस, मीन्स ये फैला देता है चारों तरफ. तो इसलिए डाइवर्जिंग मिरर इज कॉन्वेक्स मिरर. So from this we can say that our mirror is convex, and if convex mirror is there, then the radius of curvature will be taken as positive. So radius of curvature is given to you plus 40 centimeter, and focal length is given to you r by 2 means 40 upon 2, 20 centimeter with positive sign. Now one more thing is given to you: half of height of the object forms an image which is half of height of object. इमेज जो बनती है वो उसकी हाइट ऑब्जेक्ट हाइट की हाफ है. तो हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, और यहाँ से हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं h2 अपॉन h1 इज इक्वल टू 1/2. ऐसे कर सकते हैं. मीन्स मैग्निफिकेशन इज 1/2, और वी कैन राइट. And the one more formula for magnification is v upon u, and it will be equal to 1/2 because it is the magnification h2 upon h1. So v, from here we can write u is equal to 2v, and we will take u always as negative. So by using mirror formula we know that mirror formula is 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. So 1 upon v means plus 1 upon u means 2v, but always taken as with negative sign. So we can write this, and f is 20 centimeters. So we can put 2v is the LCM. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 20. 1 upon 2v is equal to 1 upon 20, and v will be equal to 20 upon 2 means 10 centimeter. This is the value of. Now we can calculate u, and u is 2 into 10 will be equal to 20 but with negative sign. Okay, अभी लिख देते हैं object distance is always with negative sign. So at last we will put u is equal to minus 20 centimeter. So this is the image position and this is the object position. Okay, let us move to the next question. Find the nature, position and magnification of image formed by the convex lens of focal length 0.20 meter. Focal length is given to you and focal length of convex lens always taken with positive sign. So plus 0.20 meter and I will convert into centimeter, so it will be 20 centimeter. If the object is placed at a distance of 0.50 meter, means object distance is given to you and it is always taken with negative sign, so it will be 50 centimeter with a negative sign. You have to calculate its image position, nature and magnification. So V you have to calculate and also draw the diagram. So we know that the lens formula is 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is minus 50 is equal to 1 upon F is 20. So 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon 20 minus 1 upon 50. LCM is 100. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 upon 100. So V will be equal to 100 upon 3, 33.3 centimeter. Because it is with positive sign, so the image formed will be on the right side, and in case of lens, if image is formed on the right side, then it will be real and inverted. Now we have to also calculate the magnification. So magnification is m is equal to, so magnification will be V upon U with positive sign. So we will put the values. V is 100 upon 3 and U is minus 50. When we will calculate this one, then you will get minus 2 upon 3 minus 0.67. This is the magnification. Now we can draw the ray diagram. This is our convex lens F. Focal length is given to you, it is 20 centimeter. So it will be 40 up to 2F and we have to place the object at 50 centimeter. So just away from the 2F. Now the rules are, one ray is parallel to the principal axis, then it will pass through focus, and another ray